So ngayon, maligo na ko hapit guys. Hapit ko maligo. Di pa ko maligo. Unuwat ko sa kuya.
I met with this dude named Vic. He had this woman with
Hi
named
guys,
Cynthia. They were
nandito
telling
ako
me
sa
about this
vlog
guy
ni
named Creepy Carpet.
Dodon.
He was a first grade teacher. He went all
The
up
one
and down
in
through
the
here.
video and
All the
please
ladies
subscribe.
said,
My name is Angelo. Just
but we still need to
one.
find who the Scratch Spirit is. So to find out if
Angelo
there's really a
Just.
poltergeist or something demonic in this
Angelo
house,
Just guys. Sorry guys, nakainin ko buwan. Sorry guys. So guys, nanandiyo ko sa kusina. Guys, happy to keep maligo. So guys, maligo na ko. Guys, dali guys. Ligo na ko guys. Ako ate guys kay alagaan pa ba siya guys. Basta nangihi. Hi guys, magkuha na ko sa Nina. Guys, nala ko sa Nina. Guys, maligo na ako.
Sakto na lang.
Guys, matapos na tayo maligo. So, goodbye. See you next vlog.